How to remap keys with Windows PowerToys. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remap keys with Windows PowerToys. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to the Microsoft Store and you're going to search for PowerToys. This is the application that you need. So if you haven't installed it already, you'll be able to see an install option. So you're going to simply head over, click on install, and then you'll be able to see open. So open your Microsoft PowerToys and you'll be able to see something like this. So at the top, you'll be able to see search for settings. Go there and search for Keyboard Manager. So when you search for Keyboard Manager, you'll be able to see this. Click on it and you're going to toggle this button on. It says off. When you toggle it on, it will be written on. Just beneath this, you'll be able to see Remap A Key. Click on it and then you'll be able to see this pop up in front of you. So you're going to click on Add Key Remapping and then you're going to click on Select. And here, let's say I'm going to click on the left shift and then click on OK. After that, here you're going to select the key that you wish to remap. And then over here at the right side of the arrow, you're going to type in the key that you want it to change into. For example, I want to change, or let's say remap, my left shift into my left control. So you're going to click on this select over here, and then you're going to click on the left control, click on OK. And now your left shift would be remapped to the left control. You can add numerous key remapping, but here you gotta make sure that you are remapping your left and right shift to the same key. If you remap to the different keys, that won't work. Once done, you're gonna head over, click on OK, and you're good to go. So that is basically how you can remap any key using Windows PowerToys. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.